Okay, so we are going to go over how to install the Facebook Pixel, how to create and install that if you have a WordPress website. So this is a question that I get asked a lot. So I am going to go ahead and show you guys how this works. So a couple of things that you're going to need, obviously a WordPress website. And then when you go to Facebook, you're going to want to go to business.facebook.com, or if you put in facebook.com/ads manager, you'll get to the same place. You click here on the hamburger, go over here to measure and report. Under events manager, you have pixels. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, Facebook tends to move this stuff and kind of reorganize it. So what we're really after here is pixels. So that's what you're going to want to find. So now we're going to go in and we're actually going to create a pixel. Facebook is going to be really helpful in walking us through this, but we're going to name the pixel and then we're going to put in the URL. Okay, hit create here. Now what Facebook does is they generate code that is specific to that pixel. And so what we're going to do here is go in and we're going to install this. So you can use a partner account, right? So you could use WooCommerce or WordPress. I find it's easiest just to set this up manually. So you're going to go ahead and do set up manually. And you're going to click and copy all of this code. Now, if you have someone that's helping you do this, of course, you can just email the instructions from here. But if you just copy this code, then we're going to take it over to the website. I've gone here to the plugins area and I've done add new. And then I'm going to search for, it's called header and footer. And it's made by WP Beginner. So WP WordPress. Let's see. And I've used it. Oh, here it is right here, my WP Beginner. I've used this several times. It has a lot of reviews, over 700,000 active installations and 67 reviews. So I'm just going to hit install now. Perfect. Okay, so once that's installed, you're going to come back over here into your bar, and under settings, you're now going to find the insert headers and footers. Now, sometimes I've also seen it go under tools. So check tools, which is right here, and settings. And we're just going to select insert header and footer. And then it's literally as easy as pasting the code here into the header section. Okay, we're going to hit save. We're just going to come back here to Facebook and click continue. So what they want us to do now is set up some custom events, and I'm actually going to do another video on that. So just come back, stay tuned for that. What we want to do is make sure that the pixel is properly set up. So see how this says no activity yet? What you want to do is go to the website you just placed the pixel on and just refresh it a couple of times. And then come back here to Facebook, refresh that. And now you're going to see the status has gone to active and it received its last information in the last minute. Okay, so that is how you can set up the Facebook pixel. Now, if you don't have your own website, I really recommend setting one up. I will put a link. I have an article in 6 steps. You can completely set up your own WordPress website. What's great about the pixel is it allows us to track anyone who comes from our social traffic to the website. And then whether they give us their information or they place a call or anything like that, we can gather them into this audience, we can retarget them, can actually learn a lot about the demographics of those people and things like that as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this was super helpful and have a great day.